Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the Luna Wireless Controller, a gamepad tailored for Amazon Luna enthusiasts. Let's see if it's worth your gaming setup. First off, the Luna Wireless Controller boasts a familiar design akin to the Xbox Wireless Controller.
Made of sturdy plastic with a comfortable grip, it feels premium in hand. The buttons are tactile and responsive, though the D-pad could be more ergonomic for certain games.
What sets this controller apart is its integrated Wi-Fi, connecting directly to Amazon servers.
This minimizes latency, enhancing gameplay responsiveness noticeably. It also supports Bluetooth for broader compatibility with PCs, Android, and iOS devices, albeit with some setup complexities. In terms of performance, the thumbsticks are smooth, ideal for precise movements, and the shoulder buttons are clicky and responsive. However, the triggers feel overly firm, which might not suit everyone, especially in long gaming sessions.
Now, let's talk power. The Luna Wireless Controller runs on AA batteries, offering around 4 hours of gameplay, which is quite disappointing.
It can also operate via wired connection if you prefer. Wrapping up, the Luna Wireless Controller is a solid choice for die-hard Amazon Luna users due to its low-latency Wi-Fi feature. However, its high price and battery dependency might deter casual gamers or those with alternative controllers.
That's it for today's review on the Luna Wireless Controller.
If you're already invested in Amazon Luna and want that competitive edge, this controller is worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews.
Thanks for watching Product Critique.